अपनी जिंदगी में आपने बहुत से इमाम देखे होंगे, मगर शायद ही आपने पहले कभी जौहरी अब्दुल मालिक जैसे इमाम से मुलाकात की हो। इमाम जौहरी अब्दुल मालिक को लोग 21वीं सदी का इमाम भी कहते हैं। न सिर्फ ये कि जौहरी एक इमाम हैं, बल्कि केमिस्ट्री और जेनेटिक्स के ग्रेजुएट होने के साथ साथ एक स्कॉलर, कम्युनिटी लीडर, मौसीकार, एक्टिविस्ट और गोल्फर भी हैं।
Superman, what does he do most of the time? He does nothing. But every now and then he's called upon to do something superhuman, to have a capacity to care, a capacity to love, a capacity to see, a capacity to speak out. And just for those few moments, he gets to be Superman. Most of us, I think, are like that. Maybe you don't see that super moment.
हालांकि इमाम जौहरी ने अपने कॉलेज के दिनों में इस्लाम कबूल किया, मगर इनका कहना है कि मैं एक पैदाइशी मुसलमान हूँ।
In the true meaning of the word, we're all born Muslim. And so I'm not joining something new. I'm not changing my religion. I am just following the natural progression and dispensation of the prophets.
Allahu Akbar, parking space, service, delivery, parking only.
दीन, दुनिया और दावा के साथ साथ इमाम जौहरी नॉर्दर्न वर्जीनिया कम्युनिटी कॉलेज में इंट्रोडक्शन टू इस्लाम भी पढ़ाते हैं। वो कहते हैं कि पढ़ाने में और दर्स देने में बहुत फर्क है।
The preacher is saying, this is what we believe in, take my word for it. The teacher is saying, I'm going to ignite your mind in a way that causes you to assimilate this information that I'm giving to you, wrestle with it in your brain, think about it, challenge it, look other places, and then I'm going to examine you to find out if you can think to the Prophet Muhammad.
आजकल की जिंदगी के हिसाब से इमाम जौहरी का एक ही शादी पर यकीन है।
I only have one wife.
And do you plan to keep it like that?
Yeah, my wife plans to keep it like that. So, with those two things in mind, but really, I think that the Quran's injunction and warning is that one wife is best. Get my blood pressure.
मगर अपने दिल और जहन को ताज़ा रखने के लिए इमाम साहब गोल्फ का इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
All right, baby.
यहाँ पर मौजूद सुकून आपको जन्नत की याद दिलाता है।
See what we can do. And to get some exercise. Nice shot.
Now, tell me something. Will you ever get a chance to see anything like that in your life? Here we have Imam Jauhari, who is of course an imam, and at the same time a community leader, a social worker, but guess what? A golfer, a pretty good one.
मगर अमेरिका में एक इमाम का काम आखिर है क्या?
In our community, what it means is someone who is responsible, who cares for, who's been trained and educated just enough to lead the people who are under him in the community. I want to encourage people, even as bad as things seem, to go out and to engage in the society and do everything that they can. إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات.
Imran Siddiqui, Voice of America, Washington.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.